Hey everybody, this is Evan Carthy from evancarthy.com. Today we are going to look at how I ended up with my Forex trades for the month of March. I know there's kind of like a half day left when Sunday the market's open, March 31st tomorrow, but I'm not worried about that. I'm just going to cut it off here, get this video for my recap for March, and then start in April when Monday rolls around. So let's see how it turned out. So this is my FX book right here. I have it linked to my Forex account. You can say forex.com, 150 leverage, use MetaTrader 4, track record verified, trading privileges verified. This is probably the closest thing you can get outside of a verified statement as far as honesty with showing how your trades are working out. And then also in the posts that I'll do on my website, I'll put in the screenshots when Forex.com sends my monthly statement here. That probably come out Sunday or Monday. So you see that in the post as well, just to verify it, because it's super easy to do if people actually want to show their results. This is the most easiest thing to do for people who trade, but for some reason no one's willing to do that, or I really haven't seen more than one, not two people show verified results. But anyways, this is just the easy recap of it, shows it in graph form with it. So for the year, and the year for me started about mid-May of last year, but when I cut it off at a year point, I'm just going to start it at the beginning of May this year, just to make it easy to remember from May to May. So up a little bit over 50% so far total for the account. Account balance 35.42.99 cents. I put in around 2100. I think it was 2162 I put in. I went back and looked this week, and I thought it was exactly 2000, but it's a little bit more than that. So I guess I pulled that out of some other account I had and put in there, because most of the time I like to use round numbers. But here you just see kind of the growth going up. That's the growth. That's the equity growth. Whatever. There's balance, profit, and then the drawdown. You can see once I've started switching up to using the reverse lightning trade in my 38.127 trade, it hasn't gone over 5%, so that's really good, because over here in December I got in a couple trades that really went against me the other way, and didn't want to do that anymore because it was you have to wait a long time for it. And you'll see in the charts below that December was barely a month where I squeaked out a little bit of a profit for it. So here's just the monthly analytics for it right here. March ended up the best month yet, $243. Finally broke that $200 mark. I think I've only done that one other time. Yeah, October was the only time. Oh, and for some reason this MyFX book is not counting September in here for whatever reason. I'm not sure why, but I don't know, but whatever. So you see, started in May, blah blah blah. December and August were obviously tough months, and then so far in January, when I really refocus and focus on getting in good setups and not just looking to get in anything just because something I could get into it, waiting on it. Things are really starting to trend up, and the month of March was when I started using the reverse lightning trade and the 38.127 trade as my primary trades. And you can see just the results from there. It's really gone up more. Here you can see the change in percentage, 7.4, 6.22, 6.14. And then if you go over to, let's see here, I think it is widgets. Yeah, so this shows you right here just the overall. I guess I'll make the page a little bit bigger here. Let's see, make it easier to see for a little bit. Here we go. So this is an account right here where you can see everything for it. That's my other account that I blew previously a couple years ago. You can see 4/20/2017 was the last day I traded it. So yeah, there's an account I blew. So I've blown plenty of accounts before, so I'm definitely not perfect at all. So there you go. Yeah, it's another one. Let's check out Mr. Perfect too. I think it's another one I blew. Or no, it was the same one, but it's another one I created for the account. And yeah, that was rough. You can see just the equity curve up there. Look at that, just going straight up, destroying it. And then I got over leveraged, and bam, it totally destroyed me right there. So, and yeah, all these were linked to the same account right here. But oh man, that was a tough one to recover back from. Yeah, we'll just look at this right here. Look at that. That was when I was learning, meditating right here, trying to figure it out, going down slowly. Then bam, that's when I discovered the bread and butter trade right there. And that's when it started taking off. This is also when I was using what was it? Not Trading View, Talonex, that's what it was. It's this like European-based Forex company that used to take American citizens. They don't now anymore, because actually they kicked me out and put me on some other weird broker. But anyway, it's kind of a shady deal, so that's why I don't use those anymore. That's why I use Forex.com, because it's US regulated since I live here in the US. And so started going up, look at that, just killing it. And then that big one right there, I believe, was during Brexit. That night was amazing right there. That's by far the most money I made in one day. It's like over $1,000, and the account size I had at the time was like maybe 5,000 or something. It was crazy. But anyways, going up and up and up, got over leverage, and then finally it broke, and bam, look at that, all in one day, all the way down. And I went down all the way down about $800, start building that up again, going up, got over leveraged again, got too greedy, bam, and that was it. So that's that account right there. I just wanted to, I'll go over that because, you know, just want to be honest and show that I've blown plenty of accounts before, but here's the one, well, not plenty, probably about 4, I think. Yeah, 4. So here's the current one right here, $1 Million Man. So hopefully I've learned from past mistakes that I've blown those last accounts, and trying to not get over leverage, or I'm definitely not getting over leverage, and just sticking to my trading plan. So this is currently it, 50.63 growth. I guess the most drawdown I have is about 19%. Monthly average is about 3.88%. And so yeah, that's the account right there. There you can see there's just a graph of it, and that's all my accounts together right there. But there's $1 million. So yeah, that's it. Pretty good month. Looking forward to April, and the goal is, what I'd like to do is hit 4,000 even for it. I got a month to do that. Don't think I'll do that since I haven't even come close to hitting $500 yet. I mean, you never know, but not going to push it, that's for sure. Just take the setups the market gives. So in April, I would like to hit over $250 in profit for it. But again, not going to push it. Just take what the market gives, wait for the best setups, and then when prices really overextended one way, try to maximize the amount I can get in, because when it retraces and comes back, those are going to be your best profits. So probably after a year's time, I wanted to double my account to between $4,000 and $4,200. Probably want to make it there. Hey, but no big deal. Still a good year. Still got a month left for it, and I'll probably end up somewhere around, if things keep going the way they've been going, around $3,800. And then from there, that's what I'll base on my year-over-year growth, because I want to get around the same amount of percentage growth per year. Of course, things can change, but that's going to be the overall goal moving forward, because my goal is within 10 years within this account is to hit $1 million with it. So hopefully do it before then, but that is the overall goal with this account. So thanks for watching. I got a couple more videos coming out. Going to do a Forex one coming up, and then the weekly preview/review of the S&P 500, NASDAQ, oil, the main futures markets, and then just the other weekly stuff for stocks and stuff like that. So anyways, have a good one. Talk to you later. Bye.